Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can renew your server, your private server, sorry, on Roblox. So select the game like this. Oops. Select this and then select join friends or create private server. And then here, as you can see, it's expired. So you're just going to select renew. It's inactive, sorry. It says renew private server. Are you sure you want to enable future payments for your private version of Dressing Press by Dressing Press Group? This private server will start renewing every month at 100 Robux until you cancel. And just click renew, and that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.